Hello everyone, the Indian Pengu here. So you can see on my machine I have two GPUs configured, RTX 3070 and GTX 1660 Super. I'm going to show you how to launch a containerized environment that only sees one of my two GPU cards like this. By the end of this video, you'll know the commands you need to orchestrate a multi-GPU Linux system like a data center professional. Let's get started. In one of my previous videos, I show you like how we can configure multiple GPUs in your Linux system. You can check the link in the description above. Here you can see that on running NVIDIA-smi command, you can see my two GPUs available and there are multiple processes running under each GPU. So here you can see like my OBS is only one that is running on my GPU 1, which is GTX 1660 Super, and all of the remaining processes, which is Xorg, KDE and other plasma related desktop application processes, those are running under GPU 0. So I'll be showing you how you can leverage your external separate GPU 1660 Super, in my case, to run the containers. The container, it will only be able to see your GeForce GTX 1660 Super and it will not touch the RTX 3070 altogether, and this RTX 3070 can be used for other purposes like gaming or any other process that you want to run. First, we're going to install Docker, which can be done via this command sudo pacman-s docker and docker compose, of course. So in my case, I have already installed those. It will just upgrade it, so I will not proceed with the installation, but you can proceed in case if you have not configured the Docker first. Next, we are going to enable the Docker service and start it. Sudo systemctl enable docker, and now. So this will just start the process and enable it. Next, we'll need to allow the Docker to run without the sudo command, which can be done via this command usermod -a small a capital G docker and the user. This will add your user Docker to the group. Now you would need to restart the session to allow the groups to be available in the terminal session, which can be done via this command. So now session has been restarted. Let's clear it. Next, we are going to install the NVIDIA Container Toolkit, so which can be done via command sudo pacman-s nvidia container toolkit. So I've already installed it, so in my case it is showing it as installed, so I'll not proceed with the installation. And now we need to configure Docker to use NVIDIA runtime, which can be done using command nvidia ctk container toolkit and runtime configure runtime docker. This will configure Docker to use NVIDIA runtime. So it has loaded the config and updated the config accordingly, and now it is recommended that Docker daemon must be restarted, so we will just restart it. Sudo systemctl restart Docker. Next, we will need to verify whether the Docker can see NVIDIA or not, which can see via command sudo info grep -i nvidia. Okay, here you can see multiple entries, which is actually the entries for same GPU but with different visualization. So in here you can see my GPU IDs 0 and 1, which is simpler to understand, and also the two entries which are the UUI IDs for my eGPU. So we can use either of these values, this one or this one, and for GPU 1 you can use this one to attach it to your container so that it can only see that particular NVIDIA GPU. As I shown you earlier as well in my previous command, where my two GPUs are available and my GPU 0, which was 3070, and it was being used basically for everything like from desktop to Xorg session and everything, and we were only using the OBS under GPU 1. Now we will run a container on GPU 2 only. Now we will run the container on GPU 2, which in my case 1660 Super. So the container will only be able to see the GTX 1660 and the RTX 3070. It will be totally isolated and will not be used by the container, and we can use this for any other thing we want. For running this, we need to run the docker command docker run and specify the terminal that you want to open, and then you will remove old images for this container. If available, then you can specify which GPU you want to use, which can be specified by this option, device 1. So I am specifying that you need to use device 1, which is GTA 1660, and then I'll specify which image it will be using. Sorry, my bad. Nvidia CUDA. So I'll be using the base Ubuntu image for this, 12.4.1 base Ubuntu 22.04. Then we will need to specify that it needs to be attached to a bash terminal and donk. So we are into the container, and here we can specify the NVIDIA-smi command, and what I would expect that I would be able to see only one GPU. The container will not be able to see the RTX 3070, and boink. So here you can see that only one GPU is available, and that will be the one which will be used by the container if we run any other AI related or machine learning related processes inside this container. If you're serious about productivity on Linux, this is one of the cleanest dual GPU setups you can run. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more Linux content, and comment what you're running in your containers. Until next time, good luck and donk.